Oh, here they go.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, and with Wisconsin's Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warnings for all of Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place.
Come on, modulator.
Both
Come on,
at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week.
Now we just wait. Don't fail. Please don't fail on me. Should go off right now.
No.
Please go off. You're doing it again? It failed again. Yeah. Come on, modulator. You can do it. I have faith in this thing. Oh. What are you doing, voice? We came in for nothing. Hey, at least it was a good shot to get KJ 180. Hey, what? I knew it would fail. The other one took off. Bum 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 bum. Did you fail? Come on, modulator, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Oh, damn it, modulator, you failed! Ugh.
You could have just got those ones.
I know I could have, but... Oh.
The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, and with Wisconsin's Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning Minnesota
This is live.
Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is no weather.
Hey, are you doing this on the cross?
The snow showers.
Alright, well, that was something.
Well, at least we got the sirens in the background.
Yeah, at least we got those, but this is, oh God, this is unbelievable. I thought it would come here to at least hear the damn sirens.
Gosh, but we got them back here.
I know, I thought they would. But anyways, that's it.